Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to do a quick product review for a company that I have not dealt with before. This is the Larky Toy Store, and they are available online and also on Amazon. And they did reach out to me and offered one of two new products that they have in their shop for me to review. And so I did choose this one here, and I have never done one of these miniature puzzles before. The two that they have new, the first one is called the Western Saloon, and it's noted as being a detailed build. So I assume if you know about these kind of puzzles, you know exactly what that means. To me, it means it's going to be a little bit more difficult. And the second one they offered me was this one here, which is the Cheese Bookstore, and it's noted as being a cozy healing style kit. So I did briefly look through the instructions in here, and it actually looks fairly easy. So that should be really fun. So anyway, I am going to leave the information down below for this kit as well as the Western Saloon kit. So if you're interested in either of those, be sure to check them out on Amazon or on their website. And with that, let's just get into it. So this is a Ben Larky product. It came inside of a larger box, and then this was covered with a sealed plastic bag. You've got a picture here of the completed project, and it looks like it does have a lighting element to it, so we're going to check that out. And it's called the Book Nook Cheese Book, but it is like a little bookstore here. Ages 14 and up, 310 pieces. It is a DIY puzzle, and it says it's a level 2. So like I said, more beginner, which would be more my style. It says the assembly time is approximately 2+ hours. And like I said, the instructions didn't look that hard to me. So on the back here, it says the series name is Book Nook, the product name is Cheese Book, gives your model number, the material is board, paper, and plastic, ages 14 and up, and then I will show you, there is their website right there, and I did check it out. It's actually quite a fun looking website. And their sales contact person is this person right here, and like I said, we'll have the Amazon link down below. It says, notice children must assemble under guidance of an adult in case of swallowing because there are tiny parts. Packaging must be retained since it contains important information. Okay, so with that, let's dig in. Okay, so it comes in this nice box, and inside we have a plastic bag here with a variety of tools and things. So first of all, we have a little mallet here for hammering in pieces that need to be a little more forcefully placed. We have the battery compartment here for the light, an emery board, a pair of tweezers. Here is the light itself. We've got some, look like sticky tapes and a package of B7000 glue. And when I opened up the box, this piece here was loose in the box. So I'm not sure, it couldn't have fallen out of the pieces because this is sealed in plastic. So I'm not sure why this is in here, although it does look like it's part of the kit. So let me tuck that in there. It could be something, maybe it got missed, or maybe it just got placed in the box by mistake. I'm not really sure. And then we have the instruction booklet here, and it's very detailed. I think I've seen people show these books before, and I believe it was, I want to say Alma was doing one of these miniatures, and she showed one of these books. Very detailed. This is a Bright Build Play Larky, and here it gives you the icon instructions so you know what you're looking at when you're looking at the instructions itself. We've got the accessory list right here, which I just went over with you. And then we have the step-by-step instructions, and it's really fairly simple and self-explanatory. Anything special at the end? No, just the end result there. So the book is a great little tool. And inside the box, we also have this sheet of plastic, and I don't know if you can see, but there are cutouts like for windows and the door. Okay, so that's so you can see through the door and the windows. And then we have the actual pieces here. So let me move the box aside. And I'm going to open this up. I've never thought about doing one of these kits before, but you know, this looks pretty fun actually. So you do have a sticker sheet here, and these are like the fronts of your books so that your books look real. We've got pages. There are little signs down here, just a variety of little stickers that you will need. So that's really cool. And then you've got all of your pieces here, okay? And they're all numbered and lettered. Let me turn it this way. And not much more really to say about it, just I can see right here the numbers and the letters. So when you look at the instruction book, you will look for the pieces with those numbers and letters and just match them up and follow the diagram. Now this piece right here, this is F42. I did notice in the book right at the beginning, it says assembly tips and it shows F42 and it says F42 is a pop-out tool. So you would use this piece to help you pop out the pieces. And this feels like, I don't know if it's a press board. It feels kind of like wood, but I'm not really sure. But anyway, so there is one set. Well, let me turn them this way here. And then here you can see the door. Here's the front of the cabinet. Oh, and look, on the back side, okay. And you know, this must be some kind of wood because I can smell wood. Here's the base platform. You've got the brick front porch there for the store. And I think this is for the inside of the store because there's the rug right there. So this is actually on the back side of the project when it's completed. Okay. And more pieces here. Oh, here's some more of the floor. Isn't that pretty? Oh, maybe that's the top. I don't know. I guess we're going to find out as this gets put together. And here is this piece. Okay, and you know what? I'm just going to look at this really quickly. Okay, so here is that piece that I found that was loose in the box. So somehow that's just an extra. Okay, so those are all the pieces. And the little tool kit and the light kit, the instruction kit, and the sticker. So everything you need is in here. I did want to mention that if anybody has done kits like this before, I would love it if you would leave me a note down in the comments down below and give me your tips and tricks. I do know from watching other people do these that you really should do step by step from the beginning to the end and not skip around too much because it can cause some confusion and maybe some other problems. But anyway, if you have tips and tricks, I am happy to have them. And I did also want to mention, I'm not sure how this is going to go or not, but my son Ryan, who lives here at my house, he's the one that was in the military. He is actually interested in doing this kit. So I have placed an email off to my representative at Ben Larky asking them if they would have an issue if he actually puts the kit together and I just do the reviews or maybe some progress videos that he's been doing. And so, you know, we'll see how that works out. I'll see what they have to say about it. But anyway, you will either see some progress videos coming soon or you will see a complete project at the end. And I just want to thank everybody for sticking around and checking this out. This is a totally new thing to me. And, you know, as crafters, how many of us have more than one craft we do? Okay, I have lots, and I'm sure all of you do too. So thanks a lot for watching. Be prepared for some upcoming updates on this, and I will catch you on my next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.